y'all? We back. And this time, we got a mystery box from Colourpop. Did I say that right? A mystery box from Colourpop. Hashtag bars. Anyways, it was $20. And if you know anything about Colourpop mystery boxes, you might be only slightly skeptical because they think they slick sometimes. They throw some stickers, some face jewels, some hair clips. Like, why is this in my box? But we gonna see. I couldn't resist. It was $20. So in this box, you get, it says get 5 full-size products. 5 full-size products. Okay. It's supposed to have a value of $56. 9 times out of 10, y'all already know half this stuff is already on sale. So we're gonna see if we meet the value. All right. But for $20, 5 Colourpop items, I still feel like it's a good deal. But are they gonna make me angry this month? So let's get into it. All right. And it did come in like a super plain box, like nothing spectacular, which is fine. I mean, the packaging, the shipping packaging definitely lends to the overall experience, but the product packaging to me is what's the most important. So let's see what we got. Alrighty. All right. First up, we got a Soul Body angled flat top kabuki brush. And I only sigh because I could have actually used something like this because my daughter just recently took her senior pictures and I couldn't go and she had to do her makeup, and this was exactly the kind of brush that she needed to like blend out her contour and stuff. She did a really good job. My baby's graduating, y'all. But yeah, this is really soft too. So yeah, I'm not upset to get it. I'm not. Just ill timing. So I guess I'm a little bitter about that. But all right. Let's see what this is. This looks like an eyeshadow palette. It is Down to Earth. Oh, sorry. Let's see what we got here. Down to Earth pressed powder palette. Ooh, okay. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yep, there we go. Yeah. Yeah. That's nice. Those are some pretty deep colors. That black though. Let's see what. Oh. I don't know if you could tell. That's blacking. It's definitely giving black. Oh well. All right, so I'm not mad at that. This is, you know, this is a good palette you can use any day. Any day. All right, so that's cool. Glad to get that. But you know, you always get a palette, so I can't be upset at that. I think we got more than one. Remember that time we got like 6 or 7 because they had that little mini stack? Yeah, that was pretty dope. All right, this one is called, this is another palette. So Very Lovely. And yes, the packaging is giving. So pretty and sparkly. It's giving like Great Gatsby, Art Deco. And I love that era. I'm more, you know, of a Harlem Renaissance type chick too, but you know, I think it was all pretty. All right, okay. Very soft colors. So not bad. Probably not something I will gravitate to. But like their shimmers really do shim. They be shimming. But they're really pretty though. So I don't know. I don't want to swatch this because I don't think I'm going to use this. This might be a giveaway. Yeah. So not bad, not bad, not bad. Never seen that palette before. But I mean, it's not hard to miss anything on Colourpop because they are always releasing something. They've actually slowed down. So let me take that back. They've kind of slowed down. All right, up next is another palette. Oh, I remember getting one of these. This is the Color Vision palette. And, no, this is not the same thing. I'm thinking the neon palettes. Y'all remember those? Those are pretty dope. Well, it might be similar. Okay, so here's the packaging. Yeah, because the neon palettes were they were in the same packaging. Ooh, yeah. This is pretty. I think this is the same one that I got. Or did I think so. I don't know. I can't remember. I gave it away. But yeah, this is cool. You could be neutral and then you can add a pop of color, some inner corner highlight. I like this. I like this a lot. So I'm almost positive this is discontinued. So that was like what, 2 years ago, maybe, that they did that whole neon thing. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, there's another palette in here. And I think that's the last thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is the last one. What is this one? Oh, okay. So just a little card and then... Yeah, so that's it. So the last... Oh, but it's purple. This is the Cashmere Forever palette. This is so pretty. I don't know if you could tell it's purple, but it's so pretty. And that's my favorite color. Even though I've kind of turned into a pink girly, like everything is pink. And I don't know why. I don't know why. Except for my new baby. Her name's Aura. I want you to meet her. And she's gorgeous. She's great. She's great. But yeah, back to this palette. I hope it is purple because I don't think I have any like solid purple palettes. Nope, I do. It's the Ace Beauté. Oh, this is so pretty. The Ace Beauté Paradise palette. So pretty. But it's broken. Oh, can't tell because of my screen. But that's okay. Let me take... Oh, well, duh. I hope it doesn't fall out, guys. That's so pretty. The little fleur-de-lis. Ain't that what it's called? And I was just in New Orleans too, and it was everywhere. I think that's what they're called. But they're so pretty out. Oh man. Now this is really pretty. I love this. This is definitely a keeper. Definitely a keeper. All right, so let's recap. So the Cashmere Forever, the Color Vision palette with the pop of pink, the So Very Lovely, and the Down to Earth palette. That black, like, black is so hard to find, like a really good black eyeshadow, and I don't know why, but I don't know. I guess I'll have to see how it actually wears before I can really judge it, because it may just be really pigmented in the pan, but it may, like, it may not, it may just be terrible, so I don't know. But yeah, oh, and the kabuki brush. So I mean, this could come in handy because I have the, you know, the little body shimmer oils that you can brush on and put on your décolletage and all that good stuff. So yeah, overall, I can't be upset. I can't be upset. 4 palettes and a brush. Like, thank you, Colourpop, for not giving me stickers or jewels or something totally random that has nothing to, or a hair tool. Yeah. So yeah, I can't be upset. I feel like I definitely got my money's worth. This is discontinued, so I don't even know if I could search this on the site. If I can, I'll put the prices. If I find them on the site, I'll put the prices in the, you know, in the window somewhere. But yeah, I'm not upset. I'm not upset at all. I'm sure they'll get me again, but that's okay because, yeah, I'm a sucker for a mystery box now. And if you watch Just the End, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, did you guys get the mystery box? Did you get similar items? Did you get anything that you feel like should not have been in there? Like, I'm not even mad at the brush, to be honest. But yeah, it's nice to be back with you guys. And I guess I'll see you next time. Peace.